this is us right now.
Hi!
And wow, holy crap.
It's hailing. Hold on.
Find some hail.
It's all falling down off the bridge, but there's one piece.
Hang on. Oh yeah.
Can you see it?
I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's hail. Could see it. It is
the
on.
river. Look at how fast that river is going. Oh my goodness. Is that part of the Mississippi?
No, that's a stream of some kind.
It's
So
muddy.
here's a scoop. We're outside of Graceland right now, and while we were inside the Lisa Marie, we were inside the plane, and this started. That's the parking lot. That's the runoff from the parking lot. Out of freaking control. We still have two things to see. There's two new museums. What are they?
68 Special and Fashion King.
68 Special and Fashion King. 68 Special is all of his guns, his cop badges, and all that kind of stuff. And Fashion King, what was Fashion King?
Fashion King was the badges and stuff.
Then what was 68 Special?
I can't remember.
I don't know. Not going to see it probably, but we're going to give it a shot. We've got our, what are these called? These are our,
what are they called?
they were the Mad Dash. The Mad Dash. These are our Mad Dash rain ponchos.
Yes, we are making a Mad Dash for the car.
We are making a Mad Dash with our Mad Dash rain ponchos out of Graceland. Peace out.